comes to being human, we've actually sacrificed quite a lot for our brains and our intellect. And a good example of that is showing how when it comes to being born, we're not fully formed. Obviously we need to grow, but even in terms of the brain, it's born incomplete. The tracts within the brain that allow us to control our body need to still develop outside the womb. And that's required in order to allow the human skull and brain to actually be pushed out of the pelvic outlet. One of the ways that we see that most clearly is with something called Babinski's sign. Now, if a patient is unfortunate enough to have a stroke, that can cause damage to the pyramidal tracts in the brain, and we see this sign on their feet. If we were to tickle the underside of their foot would splay outwards, whereas hopefully for yourself and I, it would scrunch closed. Now, babies, they don't have their pyramidal tracts fully developed yet, so they have this sign straight out of the womb. And in fact, it can last for up to 2 years. So here's a quick view of my child's foot shortly after birth, showing this positive Babinski's sign with his toes flaring outwards, as you'd expect, because his brain is not fully developed yet. Take a look. Now, if you see that in a patient greater than 2 years old, you're going to worry that there's something not right going on upstairs.